Hello and welcome again. In this video we'll talk about how can we add image to our web page. So for adding image to our web page we'll use img tag. So img tag is used for adding image to any web page. So syntax for img tag is give smaller than sign, then type img and then give greater than sign. So now image tag has two important attributes and we'll be discussing both of them. The first one is src attribute, which defines the URL of your image. So for adding any image to your page, you need to specify the URL of your image, or else you can give name of your image directly if that image is in same folder in which your HTML file is kept. So let us do these things. Okay, type src, this is that attribute, then give equal to sign and then give this double inverted comma 2 times, and we'll be writing a URL of our image in this blank space. Okay, so let us choose an image for our web page. See, our test.html is in website folder, and I said that you will have to bring your desired image to the same folder in which your HTML file is kept. Okay, so let us choose an image. Suppose I want to add this image, then I will cut it or copy it and then I will paste it here. Okay, so now my image is in website folder and my test.html file in which we are writing our HTML coding is also in website folder. So, you need to keep this in mind, that if you don't do so, then you will not see your image. So it's very important to keep your image file in the same folder where you have kept your HTML file. So now let us put this and let us put this in src attribute. Okay, so now we have specified the URL of our image. Now let's just save it and let us run it. Okay, so my image is there on the web page. Now you can modify the height and width of your image by giving attribute height is equal to, like, I choose suppose 100 pixel, and for changing your width type width is equal to suppose 100 pixel. Now save it and you can see that our image is now 100 by 100 pixel. So size of our image has been changed now. Now the second attribute that I was discussing about was alt, that is alt attribute. So alt attribute it defines an alternate information that is displayed in your web page in place of your image when there is some problem, like your page is not getting loaded properly due to some slow net connection, and your image is not being shown up properly. So in that case, your alternate text which you will write in alt attribute will be displayed in place of this image. So it's good practice to use alt attribute. So for using alt attribute, we'll type alt and then we'll give u equal to, and then suppose I want to give information like Paris. Okay, and then I will save it, and I will reload my page. See, since right now I'm not facing any problem of slow net connection, so my image is being displayed. But when there will be problem of slow net connection and my image will not get loaded properly, then in place of that image, this information, this Paris will be displayed, and it will show that here there was an image related to Paris. So this was all about image tag. We discussed about 4 attributes, that is src, height, width and alt. Thank you.